Welcome to your latest forecast for Scotland from the Met Office. We're going to see temperatures rising across the country through the weekend, but more particularly into the early part of next week. On Friday evening, still fairly cool with a few showers around. The showers tending to fade, so for most it is going to be a dry night with clear spells, and that will allow the temperatures to fall away, actually down into single figures in some locations to start the weekend. We'll also start the weekend with fairly cloudy skies across the far northwest, fairly damp starts across the Western Isles as well, and that rain will spread to Caithness, Sutherland and up towards Orkney fairly quickly, and then it'll continue its journey northwards, turning things damp across Shetland by the middle of the day. A few showers for the Highlands and across the Western Isles, maybe even one or two further south, perhaps even the odd one getting into the northeast later on. But for the Central Belt and much of the south, it's a dry, fine day. Yes, increasing cloud, but plenty of hazy sunshine, and temperatures up to 22 degrees, maybe 23. Cooler where we've got the cloudier skies further north, and I think we'll see that cloud thickening further during Saturday evening. A little bit of patchy rain likely to become more extensive across the east, and maybe even one or two showers further south. With all that cloud around, it'll be a reasonably warm start to Sunday, but a grey start, maybe a bit of patchy rain here and there. Can't rule out the odd spot at St Andrews, but it should scoot away. So for the final round of the Open, I think generally we're looking at brighter skies and some sunshine developing through the Central Belt and across the south, and even further north. Actually, most of that rain petering out by the end of the afternoon. Temperature-wise, well, we are going to start to see those numbers ticking up. So in the sunshine across the south on Sunday, 23, 24 degrees Celsius, still cooler, and temperatures only in the mid to high teens further north. But all parts of Scotland will see temperatures ticking up as we go into the early part of next week. High pressure moving away to the east, hotter air spreading up from the south. We are quite concerned about the temperatures into the early part of next week. Across Scotland, we now have an amber extreme heat warning in place across parts of the south. That could cause some problems to health and also to infrastructure. For more details on the Met Office weather warnings, visit the Met Office website or download the app, and of course get the very latest throughout this weekend across social media.